For the last several months, a new face has walked the halls of the Drug Enforcement Administration's Rocky Mountain Division.
My name is Brian Besser. I'm the special agent in charge.
Brian Besser's work covers Colorado, Utah, Wyoming, and Montana. He calls his 31st year in law enforcement challenging.
We are literally in the midst of the worst drug threat this country has known. In my career, it's the worst public health crisis I've ever experienced.
A crisis that began as the opioid epidemic, now morphed into one involving fentanyl.
For the first time in my career, we're experiencing an oversaturated drug market.
That means the drugs are cheaper and more widely available. The DEA says 50 million fentanyl-laced pills have been seized this year.
That 50 million pills equates roughly to about 379 potentially lethal doses of fentanyl.
That's 379 million lives saved. Nearly 6 million of those fentanyl-laced pills were seized here in Colorado.
This epidemic has absolutely no socioeconomic barriers. There's just no boundaries.
Before the holidays, Besser connected with families impacted by fentanyl in a first-of-its-kind family summit.
When you gather 13 families into a room, and there's tears, and there's heartache, and there's pain, and there's stories.
What he took away?
Loss. It would be loss. We're seeing so much needless loss. Many of these parents came in and they self-admittedly noted that before they lost their child, they didn't even know what fentanyl was.
A sentiment shared time and time again.
My daughter may have made a poor choice that night. You know, her and my son-in-law and their friends, but they thought they were going to have some fun, and they died. They all died.
Killing people who have no idea that that's what they're getting and that's what they're into, and they don't even get the chance to say, oh, I messed up.
We didn't know. Didn't know that 10 days later, she would be dead by something so small, something so minute. That's shocking. That your world can change so fast.
Besser wants change.
If we were losing 108,000 people a year to firearms or DUIs, there would be outcry on the Capitol steps. We've lost 108,000 people to drug-related overdose deaths. And the problem is significant. It's egregious.
108,000 lives, 108,000 loved ones taken by fentanyl in 2021, a number Besser hopes to drive down along with the growing demand for the deadly drug.
My goal, my hope, is just to see a reduction in loss. I'd like to see for the first time in a decade the numbers start to go down. That's what I'd like to see. Whether they will or not, I don't know.
What he does know, the 13 families in this room aren't alone. There are others who haven't opened up just yet.
So my message to them is we're here. The DEA Rocky Mountain Division is here for you.
I'm Darius Johnson for 9 News.
Now, while numbers do continue to rise, Colorado has taken some steps to fight this epidemic. In May, Governor Jared Polis signed a bill into law creating harsher penalties for dealing and possession of a substance containing fentanyl. Part of the bill immediately became law, and the other part takes effect on January 1st. On top of that, the state and city of Denver have multiple programs for free naloxone, which can reverse a drug overdose. We have more stories, resources, and data about fentanyl on 9news.com.